Alright, so dinner is pretty much over. Kim's not a big fan of jalapeno peppers, but let's find out how it went. How'd it go, dear?
It was very good. I mean, I like tacos, but these are very good tacos.
The best ones you've ever had in your whole life?
They're very good, put it that way. They're very good tacos.
Come on, dear, you gotta sell it.
They're very good. They're the best. They're awesome. You've got to come here. It's a good, very good tacos.
You can't continue to live if you don't eat these tacos.
Exactly. You have to try them.
So she pretty much punished that plate of tacos. Not so much the jalapenos.
No.
But she wants to get another pineapple soda pop before we leave. It really is a cool little concept here. Here's the kitchen. As much as you can see of it there. There we go. There's the menu.